Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Today's going to be a review / first impressions on this headband wig by YG Wigs. If you're interested, you can check them out on Facebook or Instagram or even their website. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into what comes in this box. Looks like we have the hair here. This also came with 2 headbands of their choice, so it's kind of a nice surprise. Looks like we have this pinkish sparkly silver one here. It also comes with an edge brush or a baby hair brush, whatever you like to call it, and you get a choice of a wig cap. I thought I ordered a black one, but the nude-ish color will work. I also went ahead and picked up some headbands of my choice so that I have options and I can switch it up whenever I want. Alright, to get into the details of this wig, it is 18 inches long and a loose wave, 150 density, and it is a natural color. This is the wig at its natural state. It is not washed, it is not brushed. It's the first time of me taking it out and feeling it, and it feels absolutely soft. If you're familiar with wigs, you know that some wigs do come with a smell. If you're new to this, it's not a foul smell, it's more of a chemical smell, and this wig definitely does have that. I was worried about that when I got it, but it is what it is. Here are the 2 Velcro straps that you use to secure this wig on. That's what makes the difference between the old school half wigs to the new school headband half wigs. Inside of this cap constructions, you have 4 combs, 3 up top and 1 at the bottom. You also have the adjustable straps, which I love because I have a small head. So these things really come in handy for me. So as I'm looking, it looks like the hair is sewn on to a cap on the inside, which is really good because you won't get any peek through of your own hair or your wig cap underneath. Now that I've showed you guys details about this wig, I'm going to go ahead and wash and clean this wig and get it ready to wear. I always like to wash my wigs before I wear them. You never know where the wig's been and you never know if there's chemicals on it. I like to see it in a natural state, so that's why I do it. Here I'm just using the Shea Moisture Daily Hydrating Coconut Shampoo. Like I said at the beginning, this hair is super soft and it's still soft. It's easy for me to brush through. There is no tangles or anything like that. Now you see me going in with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. Shedding on this wig wasn't too bad. I mean, I always expect some type of shedding from wigs. It's not attached to your head, so. Alright, this is what it looks like, all nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry and get to styling my hair. To lay my edges down, I'm using the Magic Collection Edge Effect Controlling Gel. This stuff works wonders. This part is optional. I know there are plenty of you guys who are not with the baby hair trend. That is not me. Your girl has a big forehead, so I gotta do something to create some type of illusion. That's why I like to do my baby hairs. I love them out. Also, my mama used to do my baby hairs like this all the time as a kid, so maybe she was preparing me for this moment. But if you're one of those people who do not like it, who absolutely hate it, go ahead and just slick your hair back and you are good to go. Just to let you guys know, I paid $104 for this wig. I know it starts off at $89 and that is for the 12-inch. Mine is an 18-inch, so that's why it costs a little bit more. I do know right now they do have a coupon code on their website for $20 off, so if you do end up wanting this wig, I suggest you use that to get that discount. done with the baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig cap on just to keep my hair underneath secure. Right now that the hair is nice and dry, I did have to blow dry a little bit. I was being a little bit impatient, but I am really excited to try this thing on. It's still soft, the texture is nice, and it even seems longer now that it's washed and dried. So here you see me put it in the 3 clips that are in the front. I thought I wanted those in, but I end up changing my mind. I just want to see if I can rock this headband half wig without the clips in, see if it's secure enough, because my head is small. I may or may not need them. Alright, this is what it looks like all strapped in without the clips. Looks pretty good. It doesn't feel super tight, which might be a problem. Just showing you that you don't need it all the way back. You can have it all the way to the front, covering your forehead if you want. If you don't want any hair out, that's no problem. Like I said, I need my baby hairs, so I went ahead and pulled it back. Went ahead and did a pull test, and yes, that baby is sliding right off my head. I don't know if it's because my head is small, if the Velcro strips in the back are just not long enough, like I can't strap it in tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this thing back on my head, including the clips, and yeah, I'm gonna use those. I do have a wig grip and I do not know where it's at right now, but I'm pretty sure if I use the wig grip it won't go anywhere. Here I'm just showing you the Velcro straps. One side is smaller and one side is longer, so that's why I have this like hang time pretty much. I don't know what to do with it. I could tuck it in, or maybe even when I put a headband on it will lay it down or cover it up. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the fun part, which is these headbands and styling this hair. Go ahead and put the pink silver pastel headband on, which came with the wig. Once again, this is an 18-inch loose wave, and this is how long it looks on me. Here's that second headband that came with the unit. Here's what it looks like in a ponytail. Looks pretty good to me. Here's what it looks like from the back, and that's what it looks like. I can't see any of the straps, so that's nice. Looks natural, like it's coming out of my scalp maybe. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few more hairstyles using headbands that I picked up. Yep, I did just smell it. It does still have that smell to it. It's not too bad, but from experience, I know that the smell comes back regardless. Maybe if I deep condition it for a couple days, it will go away, but it's not terrible. It's not a funky smell. It's just a chemical type smell, so it's nothing that you have to worry or stress about. If you guys can't tell already, I think I really like this headband half wig. It's versatile. You can have your hair up, you can have it down, you have a ponytail, side ponytail. You can probably do braids in this thing. It's versatile. Some of you guys may or may not know, but I have lupus, and lately I've been dealing with a lot of hair shedding, falling out for the last 8 months. And this headband half wig is a nice escape for me. I can put this on and I can feel good and feel normal and back to myself. So I hope this helps one of you guys out there. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it helpful. I think this is a must buy. If you don't buy this one, definitely should invest in one because it's a good investment. It's good for the wintertime too. It's good for people who don't know how to use regular wigs. You just throw this thing on and you're good to go. Definitely purchase this wig. I'm giving it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.